Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the ID picture trend on CapCut. We'll generate it. So go to templates here and then search for ID template 2x2. Whoops, that is not an X. And you're just going to select the one you want. I'm just going to select this one here, and I'm going to select use this template. Also works just the same on your phone, by the way. Here you're going to replace the image. So you're going to go here and then go to pictures and then just select the image that you want to replace it to. I'm just gonna choose this one of Taylor Swift. Then you can obviously change the text here as well. Make sure your image is a little bit better. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. Once you're done, you're just going to select the export button here and then select download, name it, blah blah blah, and just press export. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I don't know why there's two. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Where's the transition? Okay, there we go. Bye.